Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have this super soft and sultry makeup tutorial which is perfect for the upcoming Valentine's Day. So I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you do, then please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. So without further ado, now let's get into the tutorial. So I'm starting off my makeup with this Loreal Lumi Magique primer, and I'm applying it all over my face for that healthy glow from within look. And then I'm going back in with this Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. I'm mainly using this to fill in my pores so that my skin looks smooth and even. For my foundation today, I'm using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. I'm in the shade Y345, and at first I'm dotting it all over my face using my finger, and then I'm gonna use my trusty beauty blender to blend it all out. Make sure to blend it down onto your neck as well so that it doesn't look like you're wearing a mask. Then I'm taking a mixture of this Maybelline Master Conceal and Eylure Pro Concealer, and I'm applying it underneath my eyes and all the high points of my face, like the bridge of my nose, my chin and forehead. And again, I'm using my beauty blender to blend it all out. Oh, and by the way, it might look like I've used just one concealer, but I've actually mixed both of them on my hand and just used the Eylure Pro Conceal to apply it. And then to set the concealer in place, I'm using my Mercier Translucent setting powder on all those areas where I've used the concealer. And then to set the rest of my face and also to add a little bit of extra glow, I'm using the Hurglass Ambient lighting powder. This is in the shade Dim Light. And now it's time for my eyes. So at first I'm using my MAC Painterly paint pot to prime my eyelid. This is gonna help prevent any creasing and make the eyeshadows last all day. For my eyeshadows today, I'm using the Modern Renaissance palette from Anatasia Beverly Hills, and at first I'm taking this matte sort of a off-white shade and I'm applying it all over my lid to set the eye primer. And then I'm taking this dusty mauve sort of a shade, and with a big fluffy brush I'm applying it on my crease. This is gonna act as my transition shade, so I'm gonna take it a lot high up to my brow bone. Then I'm taking this vibrant magenta sort of a shade and I'm applying it on my outer corner, and when there isn't much product on the brush, I'm gonna drag it inwards towards my crease. I want this shade to be really blown out and smoky. Next I'm taking this single Flormar eyeshadow. This is a black matte eyeshadow, and with a small Morphe brush I'm applying it on the outer corner just to deepen it up and to add some more definition. And then I'm gonna use this Kiko eyeshadow. This is, I believe, in the shade 203. I'm gonna list it down below in the description box. It's the most beautiful eyeshadow ever, and I'm applying it with my finger and then just going in with the brush to even it all out. Then I'm taking this Makeup Revolution Awesome Metals eyeshadow. This is in the shade Rose Gold, and again with my finger I'm applying it all over my lid for some added pop. This eyeshadow is just gorgeous. And then I'm also applying a little bit in my inner corner for some added highlight. Then I'm again taking the Flormar black matte eyeshadow, and with an angle liner brush I'm applying it very close to my lashes. It's gonna give the effect of an eyeliner, but it's not gonna be as harsh as a liquid or gel liner. It's gonna give a more softer and a more sexy look. And then with another kind of a fluffy small brush I'm just smudging it out for some added smokiness. And then for my waterline I'm using my Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner in the shade Perversion. And to smoke out my lower lash line, I'm again going back with that bright magenta shade with a small smudging brush. And again applying a little bit of that black for that added definition. And then for my mascara today, I'm using the Jordana Best Lash Extreme Volumizing Mascara on both my top and bottom lashes. And for my lashes today, I'm gonna use this Eylure number 117 lashes. And for my brows, I'm using the IT Cosmetics Universal Brow Pencil, and I'm just filling up my brows with it. This pencil also comes with a spoolie, so I'm just using that spoolie to brush my brow hairs through. And to make sure that my brow hairs don't move throughout the day, I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Plumper in the shade Medium Dark. And for my lips today, I'm using the Huda Beauty Lip Strobe Kit. This is in the shade Trendsetter. So at first I'm using the lip liner to line my lips, and then I'm gonna go in with the liquid lipstick. Now I felt this shade was a little too dark, so to take it down a notch, I'm using this Milani liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Lust. And then I'm using the Bahama Mama bronzer by the Balm Cosmetics to contour my cheekbones. So I'm just using it with the Real Techniques contouring brush, and I'm just applying it on the hollows of my cheekbones. I'm also lightly contouring my jawline to hide my double chin and give more definition to my face, and also the edge of my forehead so that everything looks even and it doesn't look like I have darkness in just one area and not the other. And I'm also lightly contouring my nose as well. For blush today, I'm using the NARS blush. This is in the shade Dolce Vita. And to highlight, at first I'm taking this Kat Von D Alchemist palette, and I'm taking this light pinkish sort of a shade and applying it on the high points of my face, like my cheekbones, the tip of my nose, and my cupid's bow. Now for some added highlight, I'm taking this sleek highlighter palette, and from here I'm using this lavender silver sort of a shade. Just look at that glow. It is so intense and gorgeous. I just absolutely love it. So I'm applying the same highlighter in all those places that I'd used the previous highlighter. And now to lock all my makeup in place and to get rid of the powderiness, I'm using the NYX Dewy Setting Spray. And by the way, if you're interested in this dress that I'm wearing, then I would put the link down below in the description box. So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family so that I can reach more people. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So until next time, take care and happy Valentine's Day.